The coefficient of static friction between a wooden block of mass 0.5 kg and a vertical rough wall is 0.2. The magnitude of horizontal force that should be applied on the block to keep it adhere to the wall will be. In given question, a wooden block is placed by applying a force F to the rough wall. The coefficient of friction in between this wall and the wooden block is 0.2. Mass of the block is 0.5 kg. So weight of the block is acting in downward direction, 0.5 into 10. Here G value is 10 meter per second square. W is equals to mg, 0.5 into 10, 5 Newton. And frictional force is acting in upward direction. Here frictional force is equals to weight of the block. F is equals to mg. So frictional force is 5 Newton. Applied force is acting on this block and a normal reaction in opposite direction. Applied force is equals to normal reaction. We know the formula of the frictional force. F equals to mu n, where mu is the coefficient of friction, n is normal reaction. Here block is at rest position. So applied force is equals to normal reaction and frictional force is equals to weight of the block. So 4 forces acting on this block, but the block is at equilibrium position. Horizontally block is at rest. Vertically also block is at rest. So frictional force is equals to weight of the block and applied force is equals to normal reaction. Here we know frictional force is 5 Newton. Coefficient of friction is 0.2 into normal reaction. From this, normal reaction is equals to 5 by 0.2. For the simplification, multiply and divide with 10. 50 by 2. 2 ones, 2 25s. So normal force is equals to 25 Newton. Here we know applied force is equals to normal reaction. So applied force is 25 Newtons. So the magnitude of the horizontal force that should be applied on the block to keep it adhere to the wall will be 25 Newtons.